Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to customize the quick access panel on Samsung Galaxy phones with the new One UI 8.5. So this is the phone and this is the quick access panel, and in the new One UI 8.5, if you tap on the edit button, you can customize very easily these modules. For that, as you can see now, we have here some white bars, and if you tap on it, you can move it or make it shorter or larger, and again here. And also, if this white bar is on corner, you can move it to vertical. Just touch the bar and move your finger like this. And let's do it again, like this. And now if you tap and hold, you can move it here. And also you can enlarge these bars, okay? And now also you can move these icons here very easily. Tap and hold and move it with your finger. And after you're done, just tap here, and that's all. This is how it looks now. So it's very easy to do it, and it looks fine. Also, as a bonus, I will show you how to enable show bar levels for volume and brightness. For that, on your phone, you need to have the Good Lock app installed. You can download and install this app from the Galaxy store. And after you did it, just go to the app and tap on Quick Start. Here enable this feature, go to Advanced Settings, and here enable Show Bar Levels. And now if you exit and go back, as you can see now we have here some numbers, and these are the levels for these bars. So it's nice, it's good. I like the new One UI 8.5. Please leave me in the comment area what do you think about this new customization. I also hope this video helps you, and if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.